how to edit the menu of your website. So over here you go to Appearance, Menus, then this pops up. And right over here, click on under Pages, click View All, and then you'll see under About you have your testimonials. So check that box and then click Add to Menu. Then we just drag testimonials under About and then Save Menu. If you'd like to edit the footer of your website, you're going to go to Appearance over here, Widgets. Click on Widgets, and then here are the footer elements. So you have footer area 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you click on the arrow, you'll see. So right here we have the video library. It's footer area 1. 2 has the About, so you can edit the info here. So you would just edit the text and hit Save. Over here, it's going to automatically show blogs, and then over here, the contact information, you can just edit that and click Save. If you wanted to, let's say for footer area 1, you didn't want that video library menu that we've created, you can just remove that and you can simply put in text. So you would just drag this text box over here into footer area 1. You could type whatever you wanted. So I'll just remove that for now.